So we're in a 2010 Toyota Prius. It's been getting a check engine light. Let's see if we start it up. If we get that again. So it starts up, does its normal thing, and then we get that check engine light coming up there. All right, so we're going to use our OBD2 tester to see if we can figure out what that check engine code is. Take a look. So here I'm plugging in the OBD2 analyzer and to the port here, which is really easy to do. You just push it in, wiggle it into position. You have to have the car in the ARN position, and now I've downloaded the software here, and I'm going to take a look to see what codes are being sent. I had to connect this to the Wi-Fi, the OBD2 sensor, and it says I have a P0171, which means it's got 2 lean of a air-fuel mixture, and that's usually due to something wrong with your map sensor, and it's either dirty or needs to be replaced. This is a fairly old car, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it, which is pretty easy to do. But before I do that, I'll clear the code. So the software allows you to clear the code. You'll see in the dashboard that little yellow light just went out. So now the codes are clear. It says that P0171 in the Prius comes from probably a dirty MAF sensor. We're going to go ahead and just replace it because it's pretty easy to do. Just take a couple minutes. So here's the new MAF sensor from Amazon. This is on a 2010 Prius. I'll put a link in the description below. It's got like a little diode in there. That's where you would spray your MAF sensor cleaner. Little guy right in there trying to get that clean. So we're going to just replace this. And as we can see, it just sits right here. I'm going to take out that screw, and we have to take out that one electrical connector. Let's pop that in. So, pretty easy. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, first up, let's pry this little tab up with our standard flathead screwdriver. Okay, I'm just pried that up. I'm just going to push this off. Take out these 2 screws. Using a small Phillips screwdriver to get this little guy out. Harder of an angle. But you can get it, just have this box. It's a little bit in your way, but it does come out. You can do that by hand now. Okay, we're going to get this old one out. Kind of twisted it. That one out. The new one in. I'm going to put the other connector on now, first up. Feed it on in there. There we go. Okay, get it in place. I'm going to put those screws back in. Bottom one. So this car is pretty old, and I never MAF sensor before, so it's probably pretty dirty. This is the thing that we have to clean. Looks like a little diode in there, but you can get in there with some electrical cleaner or MAF sensor cleaner. Sometimes this can be triggered too by just having a dirty air filter. And we're just using a small Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. Done. So we changed the MAF sensor. We're back in the car and no more engine code. So we can give it a little gas. Just going to get the throttle up a little bit. Yeah, so we are good. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.